What's up guys, it's MK here back with another Lego video, and this time presenting to you the GM6 Lynx anti-material rifle. So the Lynx or the GM6 50 caliber anti-material rifle is a 50 cal sniper rifle which is featured in many other video games, but the most reckonable one being in PUBG. It is a great weapon in PUBG. It has a 5 bullet capacity and it can reload, which means when you're out of bullet, you won't be able to shoot anymore. You just have to throw the weapon out of your inventory. So on my Lego model, we featured a really big magazine and a magazine release, which is located on the handle right here. And here's the magazine, which can hold 7 rounds of wonderful bricks. Also got the stock pad, which is built sideways, as you can see here, using some technical connections. This is the shoulder pads, which, you know, just to close up and to close on the chambering area right here, but on my model it doesn't actually work. We also got a working trigger. So the trigger mechanism is from Pancake Assasin. I will put his channel link down in the description. It also got a working safety switch. This is fire. This is safe, which you can press, by the way. Okay, as you can see. Also got a working charging handle, which looks really satisfying when charging. Also got the bipod. It also has this bipod, which is deployable and retractable. I mean, very easy to use. It is the bipod from most of my gun, like the AUG or the sword like that, as you can see. Really easy to use. We also got that muzzle brake, that big ass muzzle brake at the end of the barrel, and this it meant to be the sights, but it also made into a crosshair in the scopes. So when you aim down the scope, you can see that crosshair and you can line it up with the target. So that's enough talking, let's shoot this thing. Next is testing reliability. We're gonna dump this entire 5-round magazine and see if there's any jam. So here's the trigger mechanism. It is inspired by Pancake Assasin. His channel will be down in the description. See, hold up, okay, it works like that. Let me make this thing a little bit loosen. Okay, let me loosen the pieces so you can really see. You can see that. Really easy. Here's a close-up in action. So overall, this was a great gun to build. It was really fun to, use this gun when its design is really unique. Used a bullpup design. So I actually start from the magazine and got inspired by Vinh PUBG. I'm gonna put his channel link down in the description. So yeah, I think that's it for today's amazing video. And NPA is gonna be back and with another amazing Lego gun. But sadly, the school is about to start and I won't be able to make that many Lego guns anymore. So actually, I don't have I don't have a schedule of uploading though. Yeah, so I don't know when I will upload. It actually all depends on whether if I have time or not. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.